Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do this look. Yes, not eyes, just your face. I want you to see how you can kind of sculpt your face to have the brightness in the center with full coverage, and then your foundation on the outer perimeters of your face. Okay, what do you think? Come on with me. I want you to learn how to do it. Y'all ready? I am. I'm going to talk about the products as we go along. I found this, at TJ Maxx. This is Stila, and it is a face primer, like a stick face primer. I really love it. Now, I already have my skincare on. That's what you see, and that's why it looks kind of shiny. And I let that settle for a little while. Had some coffee. And what I like to use this for is right around my nose. And right here, my upper lip. That's basically where I have pores. So this is just a smash of goodness. Oh, let me put it here because I got these wonderful 11s up here now. Let me tell you that. And what do you think? That's a little too bright, isn't it? There we go. That's better. And I do love this. I don't remember how much it was, but, check out stuff in TJ Maxx because they really do have a lot of makeup. And sometimes you just never know what you might find. So I am going to use cream foundation today, Younique's cream foundation. I am going to use this right here. Yes, this is a blurring matte primer. It is by Younique. And I love it. It's very creamy, has no color to it. And then this goes everywhere, all over. Now, you do need to let this settle, okay? Don't just go on top of it because it does have to kind of settle into your skin and let it dry, okay? Oh, my goodness. And I already have a nice little shine. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Wow. I just had a chemical peel. I'm having another one, and this is not a non-invasive kind of chemical peel. It does this a little at a time. So you go, I could have just had it all peeled, but goodness, that would have taken a long time to heal. And, I have to get out and go do, and I don't want to scare people. Like in Walmart, woo, look at that woman. So I'm doing it a little at a time, and my skin is so much brighter. And it's been 2 weeks now since I had it. And I've got this little place on my nose here, which it's going to be going away soon. It's already lightened up. So let me let this settle, and then we're going to move on to step 2. Now, this is going to be our best friend today. This is RMS UnCoverup Corrector, and I'm using the color 11, which is going right to the center of my face because this is where we're going to put all of the brightening, okay? So let me show you how this works. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful color? And this is a cream, so if you're mature skin like me, you're going to love this. So what I did was take my finger. Yep, you can use your finger. You can use a brush, whatever you want. And so I'm placing this exactly where I want it. Cover up that red there. I'm going to put it here. I'm definitely putting it here. I'm actually going to take this out just a little bit. Yes, because I want to kind of lift that area. Look at me. I'm coming down my nose. We're doing our 11s. This stuff, I don't know exactly how to describe it. It is full coverage. So for me it has been. Now, what I'm going to do is take a little bit of this and place it right here. And I'm going to take a little bit of it and place it up this way. And you can see I have bags. I ain't perfect. So I, have lots of discoloration, puffiness, sinuses. That has a lot to do with it. Let me see if there's anywhere else I need it. Let me clip my hair back really quick. I don't know where I'm doing my little clippy though. Darn it. It's okay. We'll make through it. I'm going to cover a little bit more through here. And right here, that's where I needed it. That's why I was wanting to get my hair out of the way. A lot of times when we age, just think about this. This sinks in, so it looks like a divot and it gets dark. So you really need to kind of lighten up this area right there. You'll see a difference in it the first time you try it, unless you're already doing it. That's awesome. So I'm going to take a kabuki brush and I'm just going to press this in to my skin everywhere you see it. I love this product. And then we're going to come back. Now this is something I've started recently to do. So let me get this done. Oh, let me do this really quickly before I get up under my eye. I love to take a setting spray, spray my finger, and I like to put it underneath here. Works so good. It really does. It really does. I've tried so many different things, but this is the one thing that I've been using, and I'm here in the South now because it's very hot here. And so you have to think about the sweat. Is your makeup going to stay on? And this RMS works really, really well. I love the coverage it gives. I love how it looks on my skin. And now I can go up underneath because I'm not going to use any concealer today. We are going to use this. Why? Because I think it's pretty. And we will add just a little bit, just a little touch, depending on how it looks. I might brighten it up just a little here. What do y'all do with your bags? Lord, please tell me, because I have tried everything I can think of. Okay, what do you think? Get my nose really well. Wow. Wow. I can always come back and add some more here, and I probably will. I'm going to let this kind of settle, but first of all, take this and bounce over it. And this has to be moist. This is a beauty blender. And what you want to do is just bounce. Don't swipe it, just bounce it. Push it into your skin, and the beauty blender will remove what you don't need. But I really love the consistency of this cover-up. And I like the color. It's just brightening. It looks so much better. And make sure you come around your lips, because I have a lot of lines to y'all. You see my hand is still got a little bit of bruising. I had a colonoscopy this week. Best 14 minutes of sleep I think I've had in my lifetime. I can tell you that. I really did enjoy it. It felt good. Okay, what do you think? All right. So now we're going to take, let me grab this color. This is the color 3N, and this is a cream foundation. This is Younique's. And I love this. This is a brand new one. I just opened it up. The other ones were to the pan, so I had to get out the new ones. So let me show you how I use this. So I did pull my hair back. I found something. We are going to take the same kabuki brush, and I did kind of wipe it off just to get a little bit of whatever was on there off. And just dipped it down into whatever you're going to use. I do love this particular brand. It is so darn pretty. And so we're adding the darker color around the perimeter. Not coming across here. Just take it straight up. You don't want to use a whole lot of product, but you do want to make sure that you get it pressed in. You can always come back and add a little bit more of the cover-up. I want to call it a concealer so bad. But I'm just, you can use this as a foundation. So I guess UnCoverup is a really good name for it. What do you think? Isn't that pretty? Now I'm going to come on each side of my nose, because that's important. But what I want you to do is just think about, use what you have. And if you want to try any of these new things, then go ahead and do that too. You never know what you might come up with. I have a good time just playing with it. Okay. See how that gives you kind of a bronzy kind of look? Now, we are going to finish this look out with, blush and that kind of thing. So let me add a little bit more of this. We're going to add a little more of this. And I'm going to place it right under here, because there's my bag. You think if I went to got on an airplane, I'd have to check my bags? That was a joke. Absolutely a joke, okay? It was a good one, though. All right, take your beauty blender, and let's just push this in. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my goodness. I love beauty blenders, especially when they're moist. I mean, you can try this out. You may have these bags like I do too, and it's okay. I mean, I'm 63. I'm going to have something. I mean, truly am. If I wanted to add just a little bit of brightener, I could add some of this. This is Kosas, and it, you know, you could add a couple of drops right there underneath that bag. I'm so tired of allergies. And just kind of blend it in, just to brighten. But all in all, once you get everything on, it will look so good. Oh yes, I love how this does. Absolutely. Now I am going to set it with a little bit of powder, that's for sure. So let me see which powder I want to use today. Probably the Tarte. I do love the Tarte one. And just bring it down through the center of my face to set the T-zone, because basically that's pretty much what I do. So I did decide to use this Tarte. So just dip it down in it, get some. That might be a little too much. Pat it in if that happens. And then just press through the center of your face, called your T-zone. It will help to cover up any pores. It'll help mattify it. And if you're gonna sweat, you know, it will absorb some sweat, that's for sure. Isn't that pretty? So this is basically, I'm gonna finish out my face, but I just wanted you to see how to apply this. This was what I was after, just so that you can see the bright and the dark. And if you feel like you might need a little bit more of, say, this, and you can always come back with your kabuki brush. I'm making noise too, ain't I? Yeah. And I'm just going to kind of come around the perimeter and down. I'm not getting very much of this. We're just kind of finishing it out. Nose. Make sure you blend this up to your hairline, because you know what? you can get up here and it's going to be lighter. So make sure you get up into that hairline with it, so you don't have that demarcation. I think that's what they call it. But this does give you like a sun-kissed glow. And I'm just gonna add, and everything that I use to finish this out, I'll put it down in the description box for you. And if I can tag, you know, products, I can do that too. What do you think? I love it. It's so pretty. It just is. It's beautiful. It's glowing. And so let me go finish this out. And let's see what we look like. Okay, what do you think? This glows. I just love it. I absolutely do love it. And I finished up with my eyes. This is Persona, and they're eyeliners. They're 24-hour wear. They stay. Oh my gosh, you will love these. This is the color plum, and I do have the color chocolate as well. I have two of these. And a smudger brush. This is BK Beauty's, let me see, 204. Yes, 204 brush. Smudge it out. I usually just place it in the lashes here and then come back and kind of smudge it out. But I am going to use a little bit of the dew effect for my under eyes. I mean, my under eyes have gotten really challenging lately. If y'all have any tips on those, because I've tried so many different things. I do love this though. This is really nice. You just kind of pop it on. And then I just take my fingers and push it in. And what this does, it absorbs into your skin and it plumps it up. And if you know, like I just put some powder over it, so it's going to absorb any extra powder too. So you don't have to worry about that. So, I'm not perfect, but I'm better. Absolutely. So let me finish out my lip. I did put on plum. Let me see. I use Plush. Sorry, Plush. I got plum on the brain now since I have lined my lips with these. For sure, I definitely have. And I think what I'm going to do is just put on a little bit of gloss over this. I really don't want a whole lot. This is Younique's, called Lonesome. It's just a lip gloss. Very pretty and easy. And out the door kind of look. What do you think? I love it. Now, let's shake up my Revolution Fix and Glow Dewy Finish, because this is what I always finish with. I take my same beauty blender, yes, make sure it's moist, spray it, and then I love to set my T-zone with this every single time. Why? Because it gives you a beautiful shine and it sets everything and it's not going to move, okay? Sometimes just less is more, and that just really seals the deal. I love it. And I went ahead and did my brows. I used RMS. So, you know, I'll list everything for you. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me. So, I will see you guys next Sunday. I hope you have a great Memorial weekend, because that's what's coming up. And I will see you next week. Later, girls.